Hi dear friends, welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss a question, and the question is given by find an equation of the tangent plane to the graph of the equation x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 at the point minus 2, 2, 1. That is, we have to find the equation of the tangent plane to the graph of the equation x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 at the point minus 2, 2, 1. If we consider the function given by f of xyz equal to x square plus y square plus z square, this is a 3 variable function and each of the functions are x square or y square and z square are differentiable. The sum of this differentiable function is differentiable. Therefore, this function capital F is a 3 variable differentiable function, a differentiable function of 3 variable, and if we put the value minus 2, 2, 1, that means f of the x value is minus 2, the y value is 2 and the z value is 1 equal to, then the function will become minus 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square equal to minus 2 whole square is 4, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, therefore 4 plus 1 equal to 9. Therefore, if we put the value minus 2, 2, 1 for xyz, we will get f of minus 2, 2, 1 equal to 9. That is, the equation x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 is the level surface of the 3 variable differentiable function given by f is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Hence, we have a level surface of the 3 variable function and we are given a point on the level surface which is given by minus 2, 2, 1. Hence, we can find the tangent plane at the point minus 2, 2, 1, and we can find the equation of the tangent plane. Before going to answer this question, we can look at the geometry of this question. We are given the 3 variable differentiable function which is given by x square plus y square plus z square, and a point is given by minus 2, 2, 1. If we evaluating the function at minus 2, 2, 1, we will get the level surface of the function x square plus y square plus z square, and it is given by x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9. This is the level surface of the function x square plus y square plus z square, and this level surface passing through minus 2, 2, 1. Now we can look at the geometry. The level surface corresponding to the given function and passing through minus 2, 2, 1 is x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 is a sphere centered at the origin and passing through the point minus 2, 2, 1. Now, we have to evaluate the equation of the tangent plane to this level surface passing through this point. So, we can find the equation of the tangent plane. Now, we can answer the particular question. The function f is given by x square plus y square plus z square and the point is given by minus 2, 2, 1. First of all, we have to evaluate del f at minus 2, 2, 1, and we have to conclude that del f not equal to 0. For the theory part of the lecture on the equation of the tangent plane, follow the link added in our description box. First of all, we need to evaluate del f and we have to conclude that del f not equal to 0. So, first we can evaluate the value of del f at minus 2, 2, 1. In the case of 3 variable, del f is given by fx into I cap plus fy into j cap plus fz into k cap. and f is given by x square plus y square plus z square. If we take in the derivative with respect to x, we will get 2x I plus fy. Take in derivative with respect to y, we will get 2y into j plus fz. Taking derivative with respect to z, we will get 2z and into k cap. Now we have to evaluate del f at minus 2 comma 2 comma 1. If we putting the values minus 2 for x and 2 for y and 1 for z, we will have 2 into minus 2 is given by minus 4i plus 2 into 2 is given by 4 into j plus 2 into 1 is given by 2 into k cap, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the gradient vector at the point minus 2 comma 2 comma 1 is non-zero. Hence, the equation for the tangent plane at the point minus 2 comma 2 comma 1 for the level surface is given by fx at x naught, y naught, z naught. Fx at p into x minus x naught plus fy at p into y minus y naught plus fz at p into z minus z naught equal to 0. Now we can substitute the values for fx, fy, fz and x naught, y naught, z naught. Fx at p is given by minus 4. Therefore, if we substituting the values, fx at p is given by minus 4 into x minus x naught is minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 is plus 2 plus fy at p is given by 4. 4 into y minus y naught is 2 plus fz at p is given by 2 into z minus z naught is given by 1, which is equal to 0. If we are reducing the equation, we can cancel 2 from each term. Here, this term contains 2, this term contains 2, also this term contains 2. Hence, cancelling 2 on both sides of equation, minus 4 can be cancelled by 2, then we will get minus 2. 4 is cancelled by 2, then we will get 2. And if we cancel 2 by 2, we will get 1. And if we cancel 0 by 2, we will get 0. Therefore, the final equation will become minus 2 into x plus 2 plus 2 into y minus 2 plus z minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can reduce this expression. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x plus 2 into y is 2y plus z. And if we are writing the constant terms together, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus minus 1. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 1. Therefore, minus 4 plus minus 4 plus minus 1 is minus 9. This can be written as minus 9 equal to 0. And if we are writing 9 on the right side, we can write this equal to 9. Therefore, the final equation for the tangent plane passing through minus 2 comma 2 comma 1 of the level surface x square plus y square plus z is given by minus 2x plus 2y plus z equal to 9. Now we can look at the geometry when if we plotting this tangent plane at the point minus 2 comma 2 comma 1 on the level surface x square plus y square plus z is equal to z square is equal to 9. We have evaluated that the equation of the tangent plane is given by minus 2x plus 2y plus z equal to 9. Now we can plot this equation, this tangent line at the point minus 2 comma 2 comma 1. If we plotting this tangent line at the point, the tangent line looks like this. Is the tangent to the level surface at the point minus 2 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, we can wind up this video and we can meet in next video with more problems. Okay, thank you.